Welcome to Invest and Empower. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Online survey and paid opinion platform. An online survey and paid opinion platform is a website or platform that allows individuals to participate in surveys and share their opinions on various topics or products in exchange for compensation. These platforms serve as a bridge between companies and individuals, enabling businesses to gather valuable insights and feedback from consumers. Here's an overview of how online survey and paid opinion platforms typically work. Registration. Users interested in participating in surveys sign up and create an account on the platform. This usually involves providing basic personal information such as name, email address, and demographic details. Research and choose a platform. Look for reputable and established online survey and paid opinion platforms. Read reviews, check user feedback, and ensure that the platform is known for its reliability, fair compensation, and positive user experience. Visit the platform's website. Once you have chosen a platform, visit their official website. Sign up or create an account. Look for a sign up or registration option on the platform's website. Click on it to start the registration process. Provide required information. Fill out the registration form by providing the necessary information. This typically includes details such as your name, email address, age, gender, location, and sometimes additional demographic information. Be sure to provide accurate information as it helps the platform match you with relevant survey opportunities. Complete your profile. After creating your account, you may be prompted to complete your profile. This involves providing additional information such as your occupation, education level, household income, interests, and other details that help the platform target surveys to your specific demographics. Profile completion. Users may be required to complete their profiles by providing additional information such as age, gender, occupation, household income, and interests. This information helps the platform match users with relevant survey opportunities. Personal information. Provide accurate personal information such as your name, age, gender, location, and contact details. This helps the platform understand your demographic profile and target surveys accordingly. Demographic details. Some platforms may ask for additional demographic information such as your occupation, education level, marital status, household size, or household income. Fill in these details truthfully as they are used to categorize survey participants and ensure the surveys align with your background. Interests and hobbies. Share your interests, hobbies, and preferences. This information helps the platform match you with surveys that are relevant to your areas of interest. For example, if you enjoy sports, you may receive surveys related to sports products or events. Consumer habits. Some platforms may inquire about your consumer habits, such as the brands you use, the products you purchase, or the services you prefer. Providing this information helps the platform target surveys related to your consumer behavior. Technology and internet usage. Platforms may ask about your technology usage and internet behavior. This information helps identify surveys related to technology products, online services, or internet trends. Survey opportunities. Once the user's profile is complete, the platform matches them with available survey opportunities based on their demographic information and interests. Surveys can cover a wide range of topics, including consumer products, market research, social issues, and more. Survey invitations. Once you have completed your profile and set your preferences, you will start receiving survey invitations. These invitations can be sent to you via email or may appear on your dashboard when you log into the platform. Survey invitations typically include information about the survey topic, estimated time to complete the survey, and the compensation offered for participating. Survey screening. Not every survey invitation you receive will be a perfect match for you. Surveys often target specific demographics, such as age, gender, location, or other criteria. Therefore, you may need to go through a screening process at the beginning of each survey to determine if you meet the eligibility criteria. If you don't qualify for a particular survey, you may be redirected to another opportunity or receive a message informing you that you do not meet the requirements. Survey length and complexity. Surveys can vary in length and complexity. Some surveys may be short and take only a few minutes to complete, while others can be more in-depth and time-consuming. The estimated time to complete the survey is usually provided in the invitation so that you can plan accordingly. Survey participation. Users are invited to participate in surveys via email notifications or through their dashboard on the platform. The invitations typically include details about the survey length, topic, and compensation offered. Survey access. You will receive survey invitations via email or through the platform's dashboard. Access the survey by clicking on the provided link or following the instructions given in the invitation. Read instructions. Before starting the survey, carefully read the instructions provided. Understand the purpose of the survey, the specific questions or tasks you need to complete, and any guidelines or requirements mentioned. Be honest and thoughtful. When answering survey questions, provide honest and thoughtful responses. Your opinions and feedback are valuable for market research purposes, so try to express your thoughts clearly and accurately. Avoid rushing through the survey and take your time to provide meaningful responses. Multiple choice questions. Many surveys include multiple choice questions where you select one or more answers from a list of options. Read each question carefully and consider all available choices before making your selection. If none of the provided options accurately represents your opinion, there may be an other or none of the above option you can choose. Open-ended questions. Some surveys may include open-ended questions where you are asked to provide written responses. Take the opportunity to express your thoughts in a detailed and coherent manner. Use proper grammar and punctuation to ensure your responses are clear and easily understood. Follow survey progress. Surveys often indicate your progress, either through a progress bar or by displaying the number of completed questions. This helps you track your progress and estimate how much more time is needed to complete the survey. Time management. Keep in mind the estimated time provided for completing the survey. Pace yourself accordingly to ensure you have enough time to thoughtfully answer all the questions. If you're unable to finish the survey in one sitting, some platforms allow you to save your progress and return to complete it later. Quality control. Online survey platforms employ quality control measures to ensure the reliability and accuracy of the data collected. Therefore, pay attention to attention-check questions or validation questions that are occasionally included in surveys. These questions help identify participants who may not be providing genuine responses or those who are rushing through the survey. Survey completion. Users complete the surveys by answering the provided questions honestly and thoughtfully. Surveys can be multiple-choice, open-ended, rating scales, or a combination of various question types. Compensation. Once a user completes a survey, they receive compensation for their participation. Compensation can come in various forms, such as cash, gift cards, points, sweepstakes entries, or other rewards, depending on the platform. Redemption. Users may need to accumulate a certain amount of earnings or points before they can redeem their compensation. The platform usually provides options for redeeming rewards, such as requesting a cash payout, receiving a gift card, or exchanging points for merchandise. Privacy and data protection. Reputable online survey and paid opinion platforms prioritize user privacy and data protection. They should have clear policies and measures in place to ensure the confidentiality and security of participants' personal information and survey responses. It's important to note that while online survey and paid opinion platforms can provide an opportunity to earn some extra income or rewards, it's essential to choose reputable platforms that have a track record of fair compensation, reliable surveys, and user satisfaction. It's also advisable to be cautious of any platforms that require upfront payments or ask for sensitive financial information. This is it for today's video. What do you think about our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.